Hello, in this lab we are going to be working on lab 10.4.2, which is to secure access to a switch. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to increase the security on the switch and the network enclosure by restricting access management. In this lab, your task is to create an access profile named management as access and configure it with the following settings. Okay, so we have the settings here: access profile name, action, applies to interface, add profile rule to the MND access profile with the following settings. Let's see, rule priority management method action applies to interface or applies to source IP address. So we have this here. So set the management access profile as the active access profile. Save the changes to the switch startup configuration file using the default settings. Okay, so I guess we'll start the lab. If you find this video to be too fast for you, you can pause it occasionally so that you'll be able to match my move. I'm trying to be as fast as possible so that this video can be as short as possible. Alright, so let's start up immediately. So we go to security here and let's see, SSL server. Let's management access profile. Under security management access profile, and then we're gonna add. Let's see the name. Management MGT access, and then let's see all is checked here. All is checked here. Okay. Okay, so management access is checked. So we go to what else are we adding? Add the profile rule to the MG access profile with the following settings. Rule priorities to management. HTTP method action is permit. Applies to interface all. Applies to source IP address. Okay, so go to management and then click this, and in management we add. So what are we adding? Let's see. It's gonna be 2. It's HTTP, and we have to permit. This is already permitted. Let's see. Yep, user defined, and then IP address 192.168.0.10. 255.255.255.0. So let's expand this so that you see clearly. Okay, so that is it, and then we access profiles. Let's see, set the management access profile as active access profile. Okay, so we go to management access, apply, okay, and save the changes to the switch startup configuration. So let's go to save and then apply, okay. So running configuration, startup configuration. Okay, so this is done. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.